I am just blown away by all the knowledge put on by all of the speakers today. I guarantee is going to boost my business more than I ever would have thought possible.
Really is excited to be at this event.
This Do the Most conference was so much more value than I anticipated.
You have not been here, you need to get here to the Do the Most conference.
This has been the best experience I ever got.
Collaboration is not competition, and together we all are better.
My goodness, this was an absolute spectacular function.